Today at Wholesale Supplies Plus, we're talking about everything you need to make melt and pour soap. First, you're going to need melt and pour soap base. We have over 30 to choose from, but some of our top sellers are Basic Clear, Detergent-Free Shea Butter, Detergent-Free Clear, and Detergent-Free Goat Milk. For this quick video, we are going to use Basic Clear, which has a clarity score of 9 out of 10. And also, you're going to need a soap cutter. Depending on how much you're intending to make, the amount you need may vary. But what you see here is our 2-pound tray, which is the smallest increment we carry. As we're cutting this, you can see that this soap is pretty dang clear. But if you're looking for something a little more clearer, you're going to want to go for our Premium Crystal Clear Melt and Pour Soap Base, which has a clarity score of 10 out of 10 and is the clearest soap on the market. One of the best things about our soap is that it comes in these little plastic trays, which allows for unused soap to be easily stored for future use. The next thing you're going to need is a microwavable container that you can melt the soap in. Word to the wise, the smaller you cut the soap up, the easier and faster it will melt in the microwave. Next, fragrance oil and pipettes. Pipettes are more of an optional thing. If you'd rather set your recipe on a scale and pour by hand, that's also okay. Also optional, a soap colorant. We're using Stained Glass Santa Red liquid color, and you'll need something to stir the color in with. You could head to our website and grab one of our rubber spatulas, or you could use something like a popsicle stick. When it comes to colorant, the more you use, the more vibrant your soap will be. The less you use, the lighter shade it will be. Another super important thing you'll need is a soap mold. Our two most popular are the square and the loaf, but we love the round basic silicone mold. It makes perfect gifts. Things you may have seen but I didn't mention are a cutting board and gloves. These are both important for safety and to keep your station clean. Last but definitely not least is alcohol. This helps to release any air bubbles that may be trapped in your soap. Don't forget, you can find all of these ingredients and tools on our website. What are you waiting for? Start making soap now.